How to make an object fly with CoBlocks by Jackson. CoSpaces Edu tutorial. This tutorial will be demonstrating how to make an object fly with CoBlocks.
First, you go to library and bring out Casual Boy. Now you double tap your person, go to code, tap using CoBlocks, then go to physics and turn it on. Now you tap code. Now you tap physics, bring out push Casual Boy, then you change forward to up and 1 to 20. Now your person will go flying upward. Now you double tap on your person and this screen will come up. You tap physics and turn bounciness to the max and turn friction to the max. And now when your person jumps, it makes it go crazy.